the one that popularized true wireless earphones, the current incumbent, and the Korean champion. Yes, it's a three-way fight for the best true wireless earphones. The latest and the greatest AirPods 3 go up against the OnePlus Buds Pro and the Samsung Buds 2. Three competitors, one winner. Let's find out. Starting off with the cases, all three earphones are small enough, but the OnePlus Buds Pro stands out with its matte black finish and compact size that slips easily into the pocket. That's not to say that the AirPods and Galaxy Buds aren't convenient to carry, but the glossy look can have them attracting scuffs over time. Score 1 for OnePlus. But it is what is inside that matters. Now this one comes down to personal choice, but both the OnePlus Buds Pro and Galaxy Buds 2 include silicone ear tips that can help keep a more secure fit during more active use. The AirPods 3 on the other hand keep it light and breezy with a classic design that sits right on the ear canal. It's a completely different approach between the three earphones, and the AirPods chose to allow some spatial awareness where you can continue to hear ambient sounds around you. The OnePlus Buds Pro and Galaxy Buds 2 with the silicone buds, on the other hand, can dampen out some outside noise. This noise isolation is cranked up to the next level with the addition of active noise cancellation on both the OnePlus Buds Pro and Galaxy Buds 2. Tune out the outside world and zone into your music. Apple, on the other hand, would prefer if you step up to the AirPods Pro for the feature. Score for the OnePlus Buds Pro and Galaxy Buds 2. All those extra features are great, but how about sound quality? The AirPods 3 get completely redesigned drivers for more bass, more clarity, and a classic sound that aims to please. The OnePlus Buds Pro and Samsung Galaxy Buds 2, on the other hand, amp up the bass to add some extra thump to the music. Once again, a personal choice, but this one goes to the AirPods for trying to keep it neutral. But to keep the music going all day long, you'll need exemplary battery life. In our testing, all three delivered on the stated promise, but there's one clear winner. OnePlus claims 7 hours of battery life and delivers the goods. The AirPods come in a close second with 6 hours of music on a charge, whereas the Galaxy Buds 2 make do with just 5 hours. The winner is obvious. However, there's one area where there is simply no competition, and that's the ecosystem advantage. The AirPods 3 seamlessly integrate across your iPhone, iPad, and even your Mac to effortlessly transition between whatever device you are listening on. There's no such functionality on the Buds 2 or the OnePlus Buds Pro. Score for the AirPods. Now all that is great, but value is an equally important feature. Priced at Rs 18,500, the AirPods 3 are a premium pair of earphones that justify their price for the seamless integration with the Apple ecosystem and neutral sound. However, if you want the most bang for your buck, you cannot go wrong with the OnePlus Buds Pro that at Rs 9,990 give you class-leading longevity, quality audio playback, and even active noise cancellation. Finally, in third place is the Galaxy Buds 2. Available for Rs 11,990, these true wireless earphones have all features, but lose out against the OnePlus Buds Pro and AirPods 3 because of the lacking ecosystem advantage, worse battery life, and not as effective active noise cancellation.